I'm just grateful for all the opportunity in my life.
And open your eyes for me. But you have this addiction. You have over sexualized women. You have hurt your wife. You have done all these things. Now shut your eyes again and tell me about that in gratitude.
This is a real session. The client's face is hidden. His voice has been replaced and his name is cut. The change you're watching is real. Today's move, the reverse rewrite. Instead of digging into the wound, the coach starts with gratitude and walks it backward into the wound.
Tell me about that and gratitude. All this shitty stuff you've done. But what about gratitude? This first thing that comes to your mind. You've done all this shitty stuff. You've hurt your wife. You've done all this fucked up stuff.
It's just part of what happened to get me to where I am now.
Take a deep breath right there. Deep breath. Say that again.
It's part of my journey that's led me to where I am now.
Let it out. Say that again.
It's part of my journey that's led me to where I am now. My unique journey.
Okay. Tell me where you feel that in your body. How are you feeling with that?
Well, when I first started, I went from the solar plexus into feeling kind of blocked in the throat, and I just started to feel a bit lighter around the shoulders.
Notice the reframe. Part of my unique journey came out of the client's own mouth. He repeats it while the feeling is live. That's when a story is most open to change.
I want to show you something. I want you remember this. See how we came. That's a reverse rewrite. First, I start you with gratitude. What I didn't hear though is that I want you to go, I am so grateful that this happened. Imagine you saying this to your wife. You know, sweetie, I fucking hate that this has hurt you. I love you so much, and I hate so much that I have hurt you. And I just want you to hear me with this. This whole thing that happened had nothing to do with you, and it's part of my journey to get me here. And because I went through this, I can love you more deeply, and our relationship can be deeper than it has ever been. Does that message, I don't know, by the way, tell me if it doesn't or does, but does that message feel like it's right?
Oh, 100%. Yeah, absolutely.
Researchers call this a redemption sequence, retelling the worst chapter until it reads as the origin of your strength, meaning making, run in reverse.
You can hold her, true or false, you can hold her better. You can love her better as a result of what you've gone through.
Yes, without a doubt.
Holy shit. Let me just sit there for a minute with that and let that wash over you.
Yeah, that feels really good.
Like, do you need to keep shaming yourself over that when it's been gold for you?
No.
Notice he isn't told to stop shaming himself. He's asked whether the shame still makes sense when the thing has been gold for him. Now the coach speaks the client's worst chapter back to him as his qualification, not his disqualification. There's no guarantee this holds. But this is how a story starts to flip.
I see you, and I want you to just see this too, because this is the manifestation where, dude, I see, like, no joke. I don't know how it's going to look for you, but I see you standing up on big stages or maybe in Zooms or maybe in rooms and going, like, think about this. I was a sex addict who basically sexualized everything. I hid shit from my wife. I did all this and that. And it's the best fucking thing that ever happened to me because it taught me worth. It taught me how to love. It taught me all the things. And this is possible for you, but you have to fucking do the work. And here's how you do the work. That's you, man. Like that's you now. You could not be that guy, whatever you choose to do with it otherwise. And how do you now love your wife with this more deeply, like going into it? Like, let's go back to this argument you had in the car. Coming from this place, could you see yourself when she gets triggered and you get triggered and you go, what? What comes out of you now from this place? Because now you're activated. You're just like, this is the best shit that ever could have happened to me. It's almost like it was divinely given to me so that I could clear this, so I could do my work in the world. From that place of knowing deeply how powerful and good this was for you, what would you say to your wife in that car?
It would almost be like a moment of realization and laughter. Like, I just recognized this wound that you're rubbing up against, and I'm feeling myself starting to react this way. I love that I'm able to catch this stuff in the moment. It's so fascinating to be able to see this stuff with such clarity and be able to communicate it with you. It's such a gift.
It's such a gift. Minutes earlier, this same story was pure shame. Same facts. New meaning. A rewrite only lasts if it's rehearsed. So, the homework, write out the gratitude in his own language and connect it to the relationship.
To me, simply just write out. Notice what we did today. What we did is we went, this thing's the best shit that happened to me. I have to be grateful for this. So to me, it's like, come up with the language. You said it. I didn't have the language. Come up with the language of how useful and grateful you are for this thing. That I'm like, really feel I am so grateful for this addiction and this worthiness thing and all this shit that happened, and write it out. Why are you so grateful for it? What has it given you? And then connect it. I know this is going to sound so weird, but I am so grateful for my addiction and all the shit that I did and all the stuff, because it has brought me to a place where I am actually, for the first time in my life, starting to feel deeply worthy.
It's never certain in the room. But when the worst thing becomes the origin of the best thing, that's a rewrite. If you're a coach, this is the level where change happens. Take the free identity audit. The link is in the bio.